Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you guys are new here. We woke up decently early this morning and I just went straight into doing my usual Sunday reset. All the chores that needed to be done, even did the floors, all before 11 o'clock, so that's pretty good. We have just finished getting ready for the day. We have a few things that we need to do. We need to go into town to get Skylar's passport photo taken because I don't even think I've mentioned this on the vlog yet, but we're going to Mexico. Very exciting. It's quite a ways away, but we need to get Skylar's passport figured out, so we need to go get her photo taken, so we are going to go and do that. And then we're going to stop at my parents for a quick little visit. So let's go get the stuff that we need to do done so that we can just come back home and hang out. Now, if you guys know us, you know that our beautiful 3-year-old daughter, we suspect is on the spectrum, so is not the easiest because we can't just ask her simple instructions like to look and smile at the camera. So we are going to be bringing 3 toys to hopefully get her attention, to have her look for just a second so they can snap the picture right at that right moment. I am going to be bringing her transition bear that we use as her transition toy if she ever gets overwhelmed or for doing something. She uses this when we leave daycare so that she does not get upset when we leave her daycare, her therapy, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm also bringing her a sensory slug that makes noise and her wand that turns on and lights up. So I think that'll be good enough. Worst comes to worst, I can put like a song on my phone that will instantly get her head to turn towards me. So hopefully the people there can just snap the photo really quick and it won't take too long so that she doesn't get overwhelmed and upset. Wish us luck, fingers crossed. Also, I made a whole video about this a little while ago. It was our huge life update video where I talk about our daughter and our suspicions and kind of like the process that we're going through right now. So if you guys want to know more details, go and check out that video. I will link it up here and down below. Alrighty guys, we got Skylar's passport photo taken. She was so freaking good. I'm so proud of her. So I let her pick a pineapple poppet off of the shelf. But look at her picture. She did so well. She did so good. She's looking right at the cameras. I'm so proud of her. That's the last thing that we needed for her passport. So now we just have to send everything away and get that done, but that feels really good to have that done. And then we stopped in Ardene's to visit Krys's sister because she works there, and I got this little like across the body bag. I've been wanting one of these for a while, but I think this will be really nice to have for the trip, going through like the airport chaos and stuff. And there's a little container for my earbuds, so this will be nice to have instead of bringing like a purse, because I'll also have my carry-on, and then we'll have Skylar stuff as well, and Krys will probably have a carry-on. We might just be able to share a carry-on, honestly, but yeah, I think this is super freaking cute and it'll be perfect for the trip. But we just got to my parents' house, so we are going to go have a little visit. Georgia is ripping around in the snow and Skylar's walking around with her poppet. We are back home from visiting my parents now. Just a nice quick little visit. Spur of the moment, we just decided that we were gonna make chili for dinner tonight. We totally forgot that we had like this package. I don't even know how long it's been sitting in there for. It is still good. But it is the Chuck Wagon chili mix. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna add some bacon to it, onion, diced tomatoes, a can of chickpeas, and a can of sliced mushrooms. So we just have the beef cooking in there. And then once he's done making the chili and everything's good and in the pot and it's just kind of cooking and simmering, me and Skylar May are going to make these cookies that have been sitting in the freezer forever now that I totally forgot about, that I mentioned in the last vlog when I was cleaning and organizing the kitchen. So we are going to do that. Super cute. Are you gonna help Dad make chili? She absolutely loves her kitchen stool and her kitchen helper. She just helped Krys make a sandwich as well. Are you gonna peel the onion? Good job, babe. been chilling and watching Harry Potter, but Skylar May woke up from her nap. So you're gonna help Mommy make some cookies. Okay? Here, let's open the box. You wanna put it on the tray? There you go. That's nice. Good job. Oh. Tray 1, done. These ones are just little round sugar cookies with hearts on them. Are you gonna help Mommy? No, you're just gonna eat it. Yeah, is that one yours now? This is why we get these cookies, because these ones are safe to eat raw. Alright, thank you for helping me. You were not super interested in helping me this time, but you were still involved. You got to eat some. No? You weren't super interested, eh? That's okay. Thanks for helping me anyways. I love you. Alrighty everyone, we are finally just starting to wind down for the night. I'm going to give Skylar May her bath after she finishes her dinner. So I am just playing a little bit of Dreamlight Valley on my Switch. But I'm going to take this opportunity to end today's vlog before I forget. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along on today's mini Sunday reset. It feels really good to have gotten up decently early and gotten everything done before I even finish my coffee for the day. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more content like this. And until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!